Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through patient satisfaction surveys. What is a patient satisfaction survey? A patient satisfaction survey is a tool healthcare professionals use to gather information about patient care quality. The survey asks patients to rate aspects of their healthcare experience, including quality of care they received, the healthcare provider's communication and professionalism, as well as the facility's overall quality. The results allow healthcare professionals to identify areas of weakness to improve the quality of care and treatment outcomes. Clinicians can make more informed decisions and resolve issues such as long wait times, poor communication, and inadequate facilities. The surveys are highly flexible and can be used by physicians, nurses, and healthcare providers. Here's how to use patient satisfaction surveys. The first step is to fill in all of the relevant patient information. You'll then need to rate each dimension on a scale from excellent to very poor. Add additional comments if needed. To access the patient survey, you can click onto carepatron.com. To access the survey within Carepatron, click on the Templates tab. You can filter by community as well as by notes or assessments. You can also type in the keywords patient satisfaction.